Okay, we're gonna go in custom mode. Okay, I thought the guy was just showing him how the lights work because the guy was explaining to him. So then he took off, and I'm like, oh, he's not just showing it to him, we're actually going. So you gotta... So he got a head start on me, but I still beat him. He's just spinning a lot. He's probably, it's an S3, Audi S3. He's probably tuned or something and just spun too much. Okay, so I'm gonna try launch mode and the paddle shifters against the Audi.